We've purchased the galvanized modular square window well. We're gonna put it together to use our garden boxes. So we're gonna do a short little video on how to and make it super duper easy. Using the nuts and bolts, start to put your pieces together. Make sure to offset them for strength and durability. Build each wall. Then take your corner pieces and add them to the front and back of the wall. We want the head going out that way, so the bolt goes here. What we've done on this side is we've put the head here and it goes this way, but then it interlocks there, so we have to switch that over. So you're gonna put the screw in upside down, put the cable, take your washer, slide it on, and then the bolt.